In this video, we are going to discuss some important question answers and expansions from Chapter 1 Fundamentals of Computers. And it is a continuation of part 1 video. If you have not checked it, I will leave the link in the description box so that you can check it. What are the two types of memory? The two types of memory are primary memory and secondary memory. Name the types of monitors available. CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD liquid crystal display, LED light emitting diodes. For booting, we have two different answers. You can choose any one of them and write in your exam. What is booting? When a computer is switched on, the pre-written program called post power on self-test will be executed first. This program checks if the devices like RAM, keyboard, etc. are connected properly and ready to operate. If these devices are ready, then the BIOS basic input-output system gets executed. This is called booting. Next, loading the operating system into the computer's main memory, that is RAM, is called booting. There are two types of booting. They are warm booting, cold booting. What is cold booting? When the system starts from initial state, that is, it is switched on, we call it as cold booting or hard booting. What is warm booting? When the system restarts or when reset button is pressed, we call it as warm booting or soft booting. Write the significant features of monitor. Monitor is the most commonly used output device to display the information. It looks like a TV. Pictures on a monitor are formed with picture elements called pixels. Monitors may either be monochrome, which display text or images in black and white, or can be a color, which display results in multiple colors. There are many types of monitors available, such as CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD liquid crystal display, and LED light emitting diodes. Explain about CPU. CPU is the major component which interprets and executes software instructions. It also controls the operation of all other components such as memory, input, and other input-output units. It accepts binary data as input, process the data according to the instructions, and provide the result as output. CPU has three components. They are control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and memory unit. Explain about ALU. The ALU is a part of the CPU where various computing functions are performed on data. The ALU performs arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical operations. The result of an operation is stored in internal memory of CPU. The logical operations of ALU promote the decision-making ability of a computer. For NLP, we have two different answers. You can choose any one of them and write in your exam. What is NLP? Natural language processing is a component of artificial intelligence. It provides the ability to develop the computer program to understand human language. Natural language processing is a method used in artificial intelligence to process and derive meaning from the human language. What is robotics? Robotics is used to describe a computerized machine designed to respond to input received manually or from its surroundings. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is an engineering, science and technology that develops machines or works with one atom or one molecule that is 100 nanometers or smaller. Expansions. CU control unit, LCD liquid crystal display, IC integrated circuits, VGA video graphics array card, CPS character per second, CPU central processing unit, DVD digital versatile disk, GUI graphical user interface, CCD charge coupled device, ROM read only memory, POST power on self test, OS operating system, AI artificial intelligence, LED light emitting diodes. OCR, Optical Character Reader. RAM, Random Access Memory. CRT, Cathode Ray Tube. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. QR Code, Quick Response Code. ULSI, Ultra Large Scale Integration. IBM, International Business Machine. ENIC, Electronic Numerical Integrated and Calculator. VLSI, Very Large Scale Integrated Circuits. BIOS, Basic Input Output System. NLP, Natural Language Processing. IPO cycle, Input Process Output Cycle. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.